Welcome to Academica Lab Solutions. RF, Microwave and Antenna Laboratory. The objective of Antenna and RF Laboratory designed by Academica is to develop students' analytical, design and evaluation skills at microwave frequencies where lumped elements like resistors, capacitors, inductors are no longer appropriate. This lab introduced students to transmission line theory, a large variety of antenna structures of practical interest related to recent developments in wireless communication, passive and active microwave devices, including filters, amplifiers, mixers, couplers, power dividers that constitute wireless communication system between the antenna and the signal processor. This laboratory truly follows the concept of blended learning, wherein the students start to learn and design using the simulation software, experiments using the prototype training equipment, and then qualify these results using spectrum analyzer and vector network analyzer. The Antenna and RF Laboratory package designed by Academica consists of EM-Cube, an antenna design software from EMAC Technologies, Michigan University, United States of America. Typical applications include antenna designing and analysis, RCS computation. The prototype antennas supplied by Academica are designed using this software, and all the design parameters and simulation model files are provided along with this software as tutorials. RFL AMS-A, a motorized antenna measurement system. This system consists of the following parts: software-controlled RF generator with frequency band of 100 MHz to 4 GHz and a detector to measure the received power of the antenna, the transmitter and the motorized receiver stand with embedded controller, 22 different varieties of antenna categorized into 4 types: wired antenna, microstrip or planar antenna, array antenna, and aperture antenna. The LabVIEW-based GUI software to plot the radiation pattern of antenna. RFL MMTLT, a motorized transmission line trainer. This motorized transmission line trainer is an innovative product to teach students the concept of transmission line, like observation of standing wave pattern at different frequencies, analysis of various load conditions on the microstrip line, S-parameter measurements, and introduction to plotting a normalized impedance on the Smith chart. RF Spice. RF Spice circuit design and simulation software from EMAC Technologies has a very extensive library of RF devices which include S-parameter based multi-port networks and variety of transmission line types like microstrip, strip line, several CPW types. RF Spice can be used for designing high frequency, lumped and distributed, analog and mixed mode circuits, and analyze voltages and currents in both time and frequency domain. The active and passive devices in our RF training system are designed using RF Spice, and sample tutorials are provided along with the software. RFL MCT-A, Microstrip Component Training System. The Microstrip Training System covers the active and passive devices used in the microwave integrated circuits. This system, along with the 3 GHz spectrum analyzer or an RF generator and detector module, enables the students to characterize active devices like VCO, amplifier, mixer, and pin diode switches. S-parameter measurements of passive devices like coupler, circulator, power dividers, and filters can also be measured using this training system. Spectrum analyzer, vector network analyzer, and RF generator and detector are also supplied as part of this package.